Chapter 3 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk elaborates on the contrasting lives and jobs of the narrator and Tyler Durden, providing a deeper insight into their characters and the foundation of their unconventional friendship. Tyler Durden lives a nocturnal life, working odd jobs that suit his insomniac and anarchistic tendencies. He is a movie projectionist, a role that he exploits to create disruptions in the otherwise normal flow of movie watching in society. Tyler's method of rebellion involves splicing single frames of pornography into family films and cartoons. This act, though seemingly trivial, disturbs the audience on a subconscious level, illustrating early on Tyler's inclination towards creating chaos and challenging social norms. Moreover, Tyler works as a waiter at a banquet, another job that aligns with his nighttime activities and further emphasizes his disdain for the upper class and societal structures. His dual roles as a projectionist and a waiter serve as outlets for his subversive tendencies and set the stage for the more radical endeavors he undertakes as the story progresses. In contrast, the narrator's job as a recall campaign coordinator positions him within the very corporate culture Tyler detests. His role requires him to assess the financial impact of product defects versus the cost of legal settlements for deaths or injuries caused by those defects, highlighting the narrator's complicity in the consumerist, profit-driven society. The narrator's constant travel and his candid admission of wishing for a plane crash to end his life underscore his deep-seated dissatisfaction and existential crisis themes that permeate the novel. The chapter also recounts the initial meeting between the narrator and Tyler on a nude beach, a moment laden with symbolism and the beginning of their complex relationship. Tyler's creation of a giant hand shadow on the beach and his statement about perfection capturing their philosophical and nihilistic outlooks. This meeting marks not just the start of their friendship, but also the birth of Fight Club, a central element of the narrative. In this chapter, Palahniuk uses their jobs and the circumstances of their meeting to deepen our understanding of the protagonists, setting the stage for the exploration of themes such as consumerism, masculinity, and the search for identity that define Fight Club. So what did you think about this video? Please leave a comment down below and let me know what books you would like to see in the next video. Signing off, this has been another Bookly Crash Course.